Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, let's explore the awesome new OnePlus 12 Pro, a phone that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Buckle up as we dive into what makes this device a total game changer. First off, let's talk power. The OnePlus 12 Pro runs on the supercharged Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, giving you lightning-fast performance for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. With up to 16 gigabytes RAM, you've got all the space you need for apps, photos, and more. Cooling things down is a breeze with the dual Cryo Velocity VC cooling system, ensuring your phone stays chill even during intense gaming sessions or binge-watching marathons. Say cheese to the amazing camera setup. With a top-notch 4th-generation Hasselblad camera and a 3x periscope camera, your photos will be Instagram-ready in no time. No need to worry about battery life either. The OnePlus 12 Pro packs a massive 5,400 mAh battery and supports lightning-fast 100W SUPERVOOC charging, getting you back in action in a flash. Plus, there's convenient 50W AIRVOOC wireless charging too. So, what's the verdict? Is the OnePlus 12 Pro the next addition to your tech collection? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.